will talk about how can you select your gender on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on more down here. You just click on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings. You come to next step here, click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to next step here. So it's going to take a time to open with you. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, keep going down. Then you click here on your photo here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to gender, and here can you select gender here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.